hope for this thing. None. I think today's going to be a beautiful sell-off day, but just let this 5-minute candle close. Let the stats work, man. Get a nice bounce off this 39.21, I hope, and get back up to open print maybe for a nice short off that.
Order filled.
I'm taking a short right there off the Black Magic breakdown. This is what I want to be short right here. We did have the Black Magic at 21. We already broke it. It's like the writing is on the wall, right? It's already there.
Order filled.
It's one of those ones where I got stopped out and then I just got back in for about where my stop was. I just don't want to get fooled out of this sucker. Let's go rip faces off. Let's go. Show me the money. Almost 10 bucks out of these things right now. Pay myself something there. Got about 8 bucks out of them or so. I'm looking for 1900 to take the rest of these off. And then, I'll be looking for the next best setup. Give me 3900 in this last 30 seconds.
Order filled.
Pay myself there right before the close of the hour. Let's see if we can get a bounce up into here. I'm going to get a whole full on another strike. I just see a sell day all day, hour after hour after hour, all the way down to at least 38.50. 03 is the target. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it.
Order filled.
I'm going to pay myself there. It's within the trigger range, and I don't want to let it get back. We're coming on the last 30 seconds of this candle. Now I'm down to just a couple contracts. It's nice payday. So, I'm looking for another good setup to get a good full combo. I want to get a full freaking combo on, but let's see if the bulls can get any kind of a bounce out of this at all, even a 5-minute bounce. There we go.
Order filled.
It's not going to give me a bounce. So we just broke under that calculated level. I'm short just under the calc level. Let's go, man. Ripping faces off, man. Full size, one strike, 78, 76 is the target on those. So I'm going to take some profits somewhere right around 78, 76, 75, right in that neighborhood.
Order filled.
Paying myself a little bit there. We're getting really close to 78. We have the potential for a bounce, right? So anyway, I'm just paying myself a little. All the way down to 50. I want to be full size. Come on, give me a bounce. Close this 5-minute candle, pop right into 87 or so. And one more green candle right into 39.04, man. God, that'd be perfect.
Filled.
We closed under, so I had to take that short against 87. Again, like I said, it's the first time we're finally getting some consolidation, right? So even if we don't make a run for the 5-minute 9, at least we've slowed down a little bit, get a little consolidation, let the 5-minute 9 catch up even maybe, right? What I really need is a rip into that 5-minute 9. That's what I need. God, there it is right there. So anyway, I got a nice combo on now. Stop and place. I'm just like I said, as we were coming down here, the math shows where we should get this bounce and we should get this attempt for the 5-minute 9. I was 100% on point, 100% accurate. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. Now we break down here and I'm looking for that same thing to happen again around 50. Shit don't work.